Avoiding plagiarism. Mastering the art of paraphrasing and summarizing. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into an essential aspect of academic and creative writing, avoiding plagiarism. We'll particularly focus on paraphrasing and summarizing. These techniques are invaluable tools for any writer looking to convey someone else's ideas in their own voice. Let's get started. Plagiarism is the act of using someone else's work without giving them credit. It's an ethical violation and can lead to serious consequences in both the academic and professional world. The best way to steer clear of plagiarism is to understand what it is and how to avoid it. Paraphrasing. This involves taking a passage from a source and rewriting it in your own words. While the words you use will be different, the meaning must remain the same. Summarizing. This involves condensing a larger piece of information into a brief overview. When you summarize, you're providing the main points in your own words. The key distinction between the two is the length and level of detail. Paraphrasing can be almost as long as the original, while summarizing is much shorter. 1. Read the passage thoroughly. Before attempting to paraphrase, ensure you completely understand the material. 2. Write from memory. After reading, set the passage aside and write what you understood from memory. This will naturally make you use your own words. 3. Compare your version with the original. Ensure the meaning remains unchanged. If you find any phrases too similar, adjust them. 4. Give credit to the source. Even when paraphrasing, it's essential to attribute the original author or source. 1. Identify the main ideas. Pinpoint the primary points the author is trying to convey. 2. Eliminate details. Avoid specific examples, statistics, or secondary points. Summarizing is about capturing the essence. 3. Keep it concise. Aim to convey the maximum amount of information in the minimum number of words. 4. Always attribute. Like with paraphrasing, always credit the original source of the material. The more you practice paraphrasing and summarizing, the better you'll get. It's much like any other skill. So, always challenge yourself to rewrite articles, passages, or chapters in books you read. Over time, you'll find it becomes second nature. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to paraphrasing and summarizing to help you steer clear of plagiarism. Remember, it's not just about avoiding penalties, but also about respecting the original creators and honing your own voice as a writer. We hope this video has been enlightening. Happy writing, and until next time.